beauties, welcome back. What is going on? Okay, today is BoxyCharm day. I'm just gonna run it through real quick. If this is your first time here and this is your first time watching one of my BoxyCharm videos, first off, thank you so much for watching. What I do is I like to pick one item that I really enjoyed using from my last month's box, and then I go into what I got in this month's box. So it's pretty simple, so I'm just gonna get into it. So the one product that I really enjoyed using from last month's box was also my choice for that box, which was the Lily Lashes Triple X mascara. I really like this mascara, you guys. I'll be honest with you, I don't like the price. The price for this is $24. I would rather pay, I know, don't kill me, but I would rather pay $18 for my KKW beauty mascara. It just does everything for my lashes. I am gonna say that I really enjoyed this mascara. It really did give me a lot of volume. It gave me a lot of length. It did not give me raccoon eyes, which is one of the most important things that I typically look for in a mascara when I wash it off. I don't need none of that crap or residue all over my eyes and give me raccoon eyes, and this doesn't do it to you. So if you want to try like a more prestigious mascara and you don't mind spending the $24, I would recommend this one. I also love that this mascara is like super duper black, and I love the applicator. You know me, if you've been with me from the very beginning, I do not like applicators that have like an hourglass shape because it is very difficult for me to get into my corners, and I don't like it. I always have mishaps. I always stab myself in the eyes. So I always like a full length wand or like a very thick one that's just typically round with the bristles out and not like spiked or in or like hourglass shape, none of that stuff. I used this all month. This was not part of my choices for makeup that I have in my little bucket, but because it was in my last month's box and I've been testing it out and reviewing it, I really enjoy using it, and I like it a lot. So if you're looking for a new mascara and don't mind spending the money, this is a really good one. So let's get into this month's box. This month's theme is sunshine. So this is what the card looks like. Super cute. A very like poolside with some lemons. I'm thinking about lemonade. The first thing that I got in this box, which I think it was my choice for this box because I remember choosing a skincare item, so I'm thinking this is it. So the first thing that I got was the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This runs for $50, you guys, like $49.95. Like right there, you've already gotten more worth for your box because you only pay $26 a month. This is watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. Just the names alone, I was like, this is probably gotta be amazing on the skin. So I chose it. I'll show you what the bottle looks like. And you know me, I'm a sucker for frosted glass bottles. How gorgeous is that? I cannot. I don't know what this smells like because I haven't smelled it. Oh. Wow. It smells clean, but also smells like fruit salad, which I am freaking excited to try. So what this does is it's a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. Yeah, so I'm super excited to try this. I've never tried this brand before, and I'm definitely gonna like dive into just using this to see if I could see any difference in my skin. So the second thing I got, which you guys, I'm like so shocked. I can't believe I got this in my box. Freaking HourGlass brow wiz micro sculpting pencil type thingy. When I opened my box and I saw this, you know me, I try to stay away from spoilers. So like for the past couple of months, I really have been staying away from spoilers, and the only thing that I would know that comes in my box is the item that I chose. I had no idea I was gonna get this in the box, and I'm like super excited over this. So this is the HourGlass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. This is worth $28. An ultra precise brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblade worthy effects without the blade. The 1.4 millimeter tip provides complete control for naturally defined brows. So you guys, I have been like messing with the Morphe one and it is not my cup of tea, I'll tell you guys. So I love the packaging on this. This is what it looks like. This is one side. The real cool thing about this is it's not your typical, like it explained it, it's kind of like a microblade. It's not like your typical circle. It's really oval, if you can see that. So, and then you just twist it up like this. What is the color of this? And this is blonde. Okay, I hope this works for me because I'm not a blonde. That is really light, you guys. I don't even know if you're gonna see that, but it's right there. You can kind of see it a little bit. I don't know if that's gonna work for me. I'm gonna try it, see what happens. At least I know if I like it, which I don't know how I'm going to like it. It's pretty smooth though. If I like it, I can always just try a darker color, but I'm just like stoked that this came in a box. Like HourGlass, you guys know that HourGlass is pretty on the expensive side. Is one of those brands that you find in Sephora. So yeah, I'm pretty psyched about that one. The next one is the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. Get into a state of intense euphoria with the shimmer infused 12-piece pressed pigment palette that instantly coats lids in dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking light reflective formulas, these cruelty-free pigments come complete with matte and transition shades. This runs $36. One, I love the packaging. Like, it is really cool, but you guys, you know that I usually don't complain about my BoxyCharm, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm kind of getting sick of getting Pure Cosmetics palettes up in here. Like, I think this is either my third or fourth one. And the fact that, another thing is, on the box, these colors, most of them look nothing like what the colors look inside the palette. That's two. And then three, I already had a mishap with this shade down here. It completely just flew out of the pan when we tried to get it out the box. So, as you can see, this looks nothing like the back panel. Do you not see that? How different, like, what's going on there? So I don't know, you guys, this is the part that makes me sad reviewing stuff, but you know I'm always going to be honest with you guys. Love the packaging, tired of getting Pure Cosmetic palettes in here. Had a mishap with a shadow already and it doesn't even look like the back of the box. I'm gonna just like swatch a few to see. I'm gonna swatch Vibes. I mean, these shadows just, they feel amazing, but I'm like, come on, really? That's pretty. That feels really, really nice. I like that for the fall, but I have plenty of those colors. Like, I have some of those colors in my favorite Morphe palette, the Fall into Frost one. So I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna try Electric, which is this really, really gorgeous blue. That is beautiful. And they feel great. Like, don't get me wrong, their shadows are super buttery and stuff, but can we get like some other palettes up in here? Swatch Utopia, which is kind of like a silverish green. Oh, it's coming off a bit minty, but it's on the chunky side. So there's that one right there. That one is really, really pretty. I would love to put that all over my lid because it's like a mint color. You guys know me with my mint colors. Don't even get me started. So yeah, this is the third item that I got in the box. Then the fourth one that I got was the CREME shop. Never heard of this company before. It's called Toasty Cushion Bronzer. This cushion bronzer shading cream turns up the heat to create a warm, sultry glow. The ideal product to create the perfect contour. This is worth $20, and you probably already know this, but I'm gonna pass this along to a friend because I don't use bronzer or, you know, like really contour. I'm not sure about what is the color on this. This one is for medium skin tone, so it just has a number 2 on it and it says medium skin tones. Oh, it's got a little like toast on it. That is so cute and different. Hold on, I'm trying to get it into where you can see the toast, but my ring light is like right on it. Do you see that? How cute is that? There's a little toast on it. I don't want to take the plastic off because I'm gonna give this to a friend, and I literally just got all the swatches all over it, but she doesn't care. But this, the packaging of this reminds me of like H&M stuff. Okay, it has a mirror in it, and I don't want to touch it, but it comes with the little pad thingy. And then, where's the cream? Oh, you lift it from here. Okay. Wow, this is very unique. So you flap it open and you lift it, and then the cream is in here, but it's covered. I don't want to open it. Oh, it's like real, it's powder, you guys. Like, you're not gonna be able to see that because it's covered twice, but it's like legit powder. So let me close this. Okay, in the back it does say toasty too. I just read that because I'm like super slow today. So I'm gonna put this back in the packaging. That's really cute. I really do like the toast on it. That's adorable and that's different. So the last thing, you guys, that I got in this box is by NUDESTIX. It's a magnetic matte lip color, right up my alley, because you know I love my matte lipsticks. Gotta love bold nudes and kiss proof color that is both matte and long wearing. NUDESTIX introduces magnetic matte lip color, taking your lip look from day to night with 9-hour wear, so you can go matte but better all day. All right, so this is $26. I've heard of this company before, obviously, but I don't think I've ever tried their stuff before. The color of this is called Vino. That looks really nice. Oh my god. Okay, wow, it went on super creamy, and it is a matte finish. I don't know how long that is gonna be, how long that's gonna last, but that is the color right there. That is gorgeous, perfect for the fall weather, fall season, winter season, kind of like a burgundy cranberry, right up my alley. I'm definitely going to be putting this into use. So I'm definitely keeping this, you guys. So those are the 5 items that I got this month in BoxyCharm. I'm pretty excited to try the Nude Stick lipstick and then the vitamin C serum. The rest I don't know about, because 1, this is not my color, but that's okay. 2, I'm giving this away. Got swatch colors all over the box. And for the eyeshadow palette, I'm a little sad over it, but it's all good, you guys. I will leave my total worth on the bottom just in case you want to know, and that is it, you guys. This is also going to be a short video, straight to the point. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in a couple of days. Love you. Bye.